Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My beautiful name is Makena J and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm starting the video with a morning routine, and today I'm going to be taking care of our home because this is our home and you have to take care of where you live so that you can live comfortably. Every day, and I mean every day that I wake up, I usually brush my teeth. I usually start with my teeth, and sorry I didn't do that on video, and then I wash my face because I just want to feel fresh and feel ready for the day. So this is me fetching water from our outside tap. This is actually borehole water, but it's made in a way it comes from a tap. So I fetch the water, then I wash my face, moisturize and everything. So guys, today what I'll be doing, I'll actually be spraying the house because we've been having like cockroach infestation, and I really hate cockroaches. I don't like them at all. So I decided to buy a medicine that is used to spray the cockroach and it kills them, and that is what I decided to do. But before that, I had to do this morning routine of how I woke up and everything. Who is an African without starting the day with a cup of tea? So of course, being a Kenyan, we usually take tea for breakfast. So tea is simply a mixture of milk, water and tea leaves. And then I will also be eating like last night food, the one that we had eaten last night. So this is my breakfast, so welcome. After breakfast, I needed to fix my tripod, guys, because I wanted to shoot like content for you. My tripod broke like a few days ago, so I decided to use candle wax to fix it. Let's see how this goes. So this was how I fixed it. I simply put the wax in between the broken pieces of the tripod, but this actually did not last long because the phone was too heavy. So honestly, I need this really broke my heart, honestly, because I really loved this tripod. It was the best tripod I've ever had. So I need to buy another tripod because this one is already broken. The whole thing came out while I was shooting. The first task that I decided to do was wipe the doors because they were really kinda dusty, and do the clothes, like the this house, because it's tiny and we're living many people, if we don't like fold the clothes, keep the house arranged, it can be really messy, and it actually take a day to make this house this messy. So like this arranging of clothes, I usually do it maybe after 2 days, mostly after 2 to 3 days. So today we start with wiping the doors, the dust to come off, because it's raining now, so the dust won't be that much. Everyone in my family works really hard to make this home a comfortable place. We help each other with the task. You'll find my mom will be washing the clothes, like doing the laundry. You'll find my brother, my baby brother, like washing the utensils. Mostly my sister is not around because she's at school, but when she's around, she also helps a lot. We do the same things, clean the house, wash the utensils. Yeah, like guys, what makes a home is actually the people, not even the place. Having my family around is everything to me. I just love them so much. It doesn't matter where we are living. Yeah, because a home is found in the hearts of people, not just a building. But having a roof over your house is it's so nice because you get to live comfortably. So we try our best to make this home comfortable for us. It's time now to fold the clothes. Yeah, this work, it really takes me a lot, but I usually ensure that I sort out the clothes first, everyone's clothes, then I keep them in their bags. Everyone has their own bag. My mom has hers, my brothers have theirs. Me and my sister keep our clothes in the same bag, because most of the time my sister wears my clothes, I wear her clothes, so we literally wear the same clothes. This is how everything looked finally, with the clothes arranged in the right places. I know you all know the feeling of keeping everything in their place. It feels so nice, I'm telling you. Even for your mental health, it's just amazing. The next thing I needed to do was I actually wanted to keep the bed, to take out the mattresses so that they can get some sun. It's been raining, but when the sun is out, I take advantage. So taking the mattresses out is really nice. It gives the mattresses some air. You get some nice air in your house, like clean air, clean energy. So I'll be taking the mattresses out of the house. It now came time to spray. I had to read the manual very carefully. This was the manual, and measure the water. I was supposed to put 2 liters of water, so I had to measure the water in a different jerry can, like container. So I had to measure 2 liters of water, then put my medicine. It's really poisonous. I had to be careful with everything here. Honestly, this pest medicine was smelling so bad. It was so strong. Like everyone in their houses could actually feel it, and they knew you were spraying the house. It was so strong, but I had to do it anyways, because if I don't do it, who will do it? So this was me trying to mix it up, put it in a spraying bottle, and spray the entire house. It was actually kind of cloudy. The color was cloudy, whitish. Yeah. Despite many challenges, perseverance and determination is what enables me to create a better environment for my family, because I love them so much and I want them to live in a better way. After spraying the entire house, the cockroaches just came down falling. Just look at them, they all fell down. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to end my video here. Tell me what you think about it. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.